Me and my buddy Dom, we go Panda Express. Readdress, the file gotta be decompressed. I'm here to confess, cheat the system and pass the test. We get along so well, you the best. Be sure to digest, take it slow. I promise you I'd blow, kiss, and caress. Suppress, don't press my chest, shit a mess. Forget the past, let's play a game of chess. It's how I remember the good times and God bless. I leave it up to you on the rest, has nothing against us, nonetheless. I only recommend and or suggest, belittle me or head to the west. This has nothing to do with a contest, we keep it chill as always. All Vance knows is how to stress. I try to set him straight, but he shows up late. He like Cerberus, guardian of the gate. On a pirate ship, he my first mate. I ain't got no time to wait, it's an understatement. Let me reinstate, we all influence one another, pass on a trait. I hold my hands high and believe in fate. My favorite number would have to be 8. It gives me all the luck in the world. Only time I be sucking is on that lollipop swirl. Only a few can say they're worth more than a pearl. It disgusts me, so I approach the cat till it cough up a hurl. Am I the only one that can portray a pool of water spinning like a whirl? Oh damn, look at that Asian. I want her to be my girl. Not for reals, my name ain't Earl. This dude I work with tell me he got recipes for squirrel. Vance used to say, I'm just saying, I'm off the hook and betraying. Kratos, he ain't out for playing. His killing sprees only be delaying. I can't get enough, so switch back to replaying. Don't be hating, the kills got me quivering with the chills. When I swim, I unleash my inner fish skills. Dire docks, oh hell, I just befriended an ill. Life is a waste, I don't mind becoming a second meal. It's a one-on-one deal, I continue on with my quest. Got the compass, I open every chest, even when I'm signed in as a guest. With confidence, never have to worry about losing your relevance. The people in this world are a nuisance. A life with no purpose is the same as a hollow shell without an essence. Let the good ones show what it's like with independence. Who needs insurance? It's all a scam anyways. So I say to myself, oh shit damn, my zodiac sign represents the ram. When I play whack-a-mole, I like to hear wham wham. I pose so delightfully on that commercial for Shazam. Whatever happened to Cam Cam? Well, who gives a damn? Better hurry, or I might miss my tram. Heading back to Stormwind, the place where I was once told the gods descend. I'm in, been up all night, and just felt my second wind. When I'm vulnerable, I stay away from the double chin. I contend, but no matter how hard I try, they still win. Never heard those stories about the dragon's den? It's the only legend, like those tales of Ryu and Ken. They say a fish don't strike if you forgive your sin. The truth is that we all have a power that resides within. In the end, all it was worth was a magic fish fin. Rat-a-tat-tin, Wizard of Oz was the cause. Ruby shoes signing the satin blues. Yellow brick road, sometimes you just gotta take off a load. They know what life is all about, so when I pass them by, I like to give them a shout. This one dude I met on the road told me he wanted me to be his sauerkraut. I slapped that bitch and told him he dirty like a trout. Be like Goofy and be like a true scout. Protect me. If I do something wrong, correct me. We can make it, but I rely on you, my hero, so don't fake it. The witch is a bitch. She's waiting like a hairless ogre. She gave up on dating. Soon we step in, put it into her schemes. After it's over, you have nothing to redeem. You realize, oh fuck, it was all just a dream.